In this video, we're going to take some CSV data that's embedded in an email and save it as a CSV file using TextEdit. There are some nuances that we need to watch for. So here is the email, and it shows a text at the top, and then the actual data below here, account number, account name type, and detail type. So the first thing to do is to copy or paint this whole thing so we can copy it using Command C. Now it's copied into the clipboard. And now we're ready to go into TextEdit. So let's go over to TextEdit, open that up, and close the first window that opens. This is important. Then go back to TextEdit, select Settings, and then from there move over to a New Document, and make sure Plain Text is selected. Now, having done that, we're not completely done. So we open the new window, and then we paste the data we copied here with a Command V. Now the data is copied here. Now when you save it, it's important to use the suffix CSV. So when we save here, we're going to give it a name and then do a .csv. So this is sample CSV file .csv. If we don't add that CSV, it will still save in a format that's not plain text. Make sure that no extension box is unchecked and save it. And now the file is saved. It's off screen. Let's drag it over here. We can see the file is right there. So let's close this window and reopen sample CSV to see what it looks like. And there it is. It's opened up and it's got the field set up. We'll parse it out just to see it. And the upload is fine. So that's how you take CSV data embedded in an email or other source and convert it to a file that you can use with your spreadsheets. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.